I got a missile out on it. Flared. Yep.
How about I shoot? I'm coming to get you. You're lucky I'm a better pilot than you are. Where are you?
I hit him. He's way far.
Where are you, Raptor?
He's way too far, dude.
I'm coming.
I'm gonna try to C4 him. Oh.
They're just gonna repair that chopper.
I don't care. Get in. I'm right above you. Come to me.
Bombs in the AA.
Go, dude. It doesn't get any more precision than this. Come on.
Hold E.
Oh my God. Dude, look at this fucking. Look how good I'm flying this. Here. It's on the fucking ground. Get in it. Let's go. They're on our. Hold on, I'm
Get
swinging
that chopper
around.
on the left.
Light him up. No, chopper. Did you seriously just jump out again?